Welcome to Kitchen Hub. Today's recipe is fried calamari or squid. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below. Let's start. Clean and cut 1 kilogram of calamari into ring shape. Let's make a calamari marination. Take a bowl. Then add 2 cups of milk, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder or garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of paprika or chili powder, half tablespoon of salt. Then add the calamari or squid rings. Mix it well, cover and keep it in refrigerator for 30 minutes or an hour. This marination gives perfect smooth and texture to the squid. Let's make a flour mixture. For that, take a bowl, add 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of paprika or chili powder, half tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of pepper powder. Mix all the ingredients together. After an hour, strain the marinated squid or calamari. Then coat the squid pieces in the flour mixture, ensuring they are evenly coated. Then place the coated squid or calamari into the hot oil. Fry for about 6 to 8 minutes or until the squid turns golden brown color and crispy. Please like and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for more new video updates. Then remove the fried calamari from the oil. Place them on a plate with paper towels to drain excess oil. Enjoy your homemade fried squid or calamari. Thank you for watching.